This video is brought to you by Specdtuning.com. Today we'll learn how to install projector headlights for a 2005 to 2009 Scion TC. We'll start by opening the hood. After the hood's open, we'll notice two clips. Right above the Scion emblem, there's one additional clip that also needs to be removed. And right below the bumper, there are 7 bolts that also need to be removed before removing the bumper. Please don't forget the 2 bolts underneath the wheel well on the side of the bumper. Now to the headlights. We'll notice 2 bolts above the headlights that can be unscrewed. Please unscrew the 2 bolts and the additional one where the bumper and fender meets. On this part, a flat tip will make removing the headlights that much easier. By pulling the headlights out slightly, we have a little bit more room to unplug all the harnesses. If your headlights has halo and or LEDs, please see our halo and LEDs instruction video. After the necessary connections have been made, we can then replace the headlights and the bolts back into its original place, like so. Once the bumper and bolts are put back to its original place, the installation is complete. Please test all lighting before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit Specdtuning.com for more products.